Okay guys, I want to play a game. I want to play last to stop eating in their color wins. My family's in the other room, and I'm going to tell them what we're playing. Thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Thumbs all the way.
Sebastian.
Hi.
Hi, Corinne.
Hi, Corinne.
What you doing?
Do you guys want to play a game?
Why do you have the camera?
What game are you looking to play?
Last to stop eating their color wins. Yes.
Eating their color. How do you play that?
I'm gonna win.
Eating their color, what do you mean?
You have to find the color food your shirt is.
I wish you would have told me a little sooner. Yellow?
And what color is this?
Orange.
Orange?
My color's blue because it's my favorite color.
Good luck finding something blue. So how do we play this game, Corinne?
Whoever wins will win the mystery box. Yes, I'm gonna win the mystery box.
Wait a second, there's a mystery box? I'm in.
Well, I'm gonna.
I'm in too, Corinne, but we're stuck in the house. We're stuck at home. We can't go to the store to buy something in our color. What are we supposed to do?
Right.
You have to find something that's in our cabinets.
So, I gotta find something orange. He's gotta find something blue.
And yellow.
He's gotta find something yellow.
Seriously?
Are you playing too?
I got to find something pink. Daddy,
That we have at home.
I want the mystery box.
I want the mystery box.
No, I want the mystery box.
I want the mystery box.
Uh-oh. It's mine.
When I win, I'm getting that.
I think I can.
Look up.
I think I can beat you.
No, you can't. I can. Do you want it?
Yes, I want it.
No.
All right.
I won.
All right, Corinne, so what's your plan here? What are we gonna do?
Mommy, go find some food.
Alrighty then, I guess I'm going to find something orange. Let's go.
Seriously, Corinne?
Orange. I have to find something orange. And of course we have no fruit right now, so I can't even eat oranges, which would be orange. Can I drink something?
No.
Can't even have orange juice. Gotta find something orange. What the heck do we have orange? Let's look. Yum yum sauce, that probably wouldn't be good. Orange. Baking soda, yeah, that's not a good idea either. Orange! I can do. These are orange. I found my orange. Let's get back to the game. All right, I found orange.
Mommy.
Cheetos.
My orange. Sebastian, it's your turn. Sissy's gonna follow you.
Let's go find the food. Oh, you're fast. You're the fast one. Whoa. Okay, what are you gonna find? Blue chips. Blue chips. You want blue chips? Blue chips. Yes, let's do it. Okay, come on. Blue chips.
Well, that was fast.
You're lucky that we still had some left.
I was fast.
You were super fast.
You are fast. Whose turn is it now, Corinne? Corinne, whose turn? Is it mine?
Daddy-o!
I'm not really excited to find something in yellow, but we'll give it a shot.
I don't even have bananas. No fruit.
All right, so we're stuck in the house. No bananas, no fruit. What the heck else is yellow? Lemonade? Well, we can't drink. Well, we don't have lemonade anyway.
It doesn't count.
What doesn't count?
Margarita doesn't.
Ooh, margaritas. Maybe margaritas. Are they yellow? Let's see. What do we have yellow? I mean, everybody else plays this game and it's easy because they can run to the store. We can't run to the store right now because we're stuck at home. Yellow mustard, maybe? Maybe eat some mustard? What else? What else? What else in the fridge? More mustard? I'm seeing cheese, but I think that's orange. I don't think that's yellow. Let's keep looking. Sebastian was easy. Blue, come on. Yellow? What can you eat that's yellow? Let me know right now down in the comments below what you can eat that's yellow.
5 minutes later.
Wait a second. I think I found something. I don't know if this is going to be an enjoyable game by any means, but guys, can I eat corn?
It's yellow.
Yeah, you just have to like make it fresh.
You might want
Make it fresh.
to cook it first.
Yeah, to make it fresh.
So I don't have to eat frozen corn.
No, because you need to hot it up so it gets good.
All right, so I'm gonna
How to get gooder?
eat the corn.
The organic corn.
Yeah, not just corn, it's organic corn. All right, Corinne, I got my food. Mommy's got hers. Sebastian's got his. Good luck.
You gotta find something pink.
That's gonna be hard. Go, Clem.
Plan this, didn't you?
Okay, I have to find. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
I have to find something pink, and pink is nowhere like near in this house. So let's see if anything's here. Is anything even pink? Do you see anything pink? I don't either.
Me neither.
Me neither.
Oh, sorry.
They are crazy. Let's look in the fridge. Here, how about the freezer? Nothing.
Anything pink yet? You find pink?
In here. Go-gurt! Let's get all these go-gurts. I want go-gurt. I want go-gurt. I want the go-gurt. I want the go-gurt. Behold, the tastiest, yummiest thing ever. Go-gurt! Alright guys, let's go upstairs and get this game started.
What?
How's your corn coming?
I don't know if I like this game of yours, Corinne. I gotta cook corn. How could somebody eat that much corn?
You don't have to eat a lot of it.
If I want to win, I do. Why couldn't I have worn something different today? Yellow. Yellow, seriously? Guys, don't ever wear yellow just in case you have to play this game.
Alright, come on, fam, let's go upstairs! Come into this room.
How do you play this game, Corinne?
You're gonna find out.
So, Corinne, what is this board for?
Everybody's gonna spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, that's how much bites you are going to eat. What?
There's like 20 bites on there.
20 bites of corn? Are you kidding me?
20 bites of Cheetos? Like a serving size is only 21.
Why couldn't you be doing this when I was wearing my chocolate or my brown shirt? I could eat some cake or something.
Or, yeah, why is it like this? What the? Or, why is it like this many? You can be out.
Then I don't win the mystery box?
I'm winning.
I'm winning.
I'm winning.
Good luck.
Boys, I'm winning.
You totally know I'm gonna win. No, you're not.
No, you're not.
All right, how do we start this game?
Who goes first, Corinne?
Youngest to oldest.
All right, Sebastian, spin the wheel.
One time, buddy.
Ooh, you got two bites.
So you gotta take 2 bites of a chip.
My favorite 2 bites. 1, 2. You need that part.
Are you still in the game? You're going for more? You trying to get extra credit or bonus points?
I got 2.
All right, Corinne. Looks like it's your turn.
5 bites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow. If you keep getting those, you might be out of Go-Gurts. All right, looks like it's Mommy's turn.
Yay! 7 bites. That's a third of my serving size.
Are you still in the game?
Yes.
You need to
I'm
start.
winning that box.
No, I am.
I am.
You know that I'm winning. I don't know what's in the mystery box, too.
Have you ever been forced to eat Cheetos?
Yes. Guys,
At least I'm glad that I have a way out. I can say no, right?
But then you don't win the mystery box.
guys. I don't know what's in that mystery box right there. 7!
Here we go. I'm really not looking forward to eating corn.
5 bites.
Only 5 bites.
And it landed on yellow. 1, 3, 4, 5.
I love corn, but I don't know if I can. We'll keep going. All right.
I'm gonna win.
Sebastian, your turn again. One time.
How many times are you gonna spin it this time?
Be fast.
You have to eat 3 bites. Are you still in the game?
1, 2, 3.
All right, Corinne. Your turn. Spin the wheel. Give 20. Give 20. 20, 20, 20. Come on, 20. 20 bites. 20 bites. Oh, she's got 10 bites. Oh. Are you still in the game, Corinne?
I'll do it.
10 bites of Go-Gurt. Oh, do you have enough Go-Gurt in that one? You might have to dip into the next one.
1, 2,
4. That's 4.
5,
6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10. Are you ever gonna eat Go-Gurts again after this game?
No.
Just remember, you decided to play this game.
I'm gonna cry.
All right, Mommy.
Go ahead, just spin it for me.
Only 2 bites?
Okay, I can handle that.
That's too easy.
1.
1.
Mommy, you only had 2 bites. 2.
Time for corn. What am I getting? What am I getting? Come on, come on.
7 bites.
7.
What?
7.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Seven bites.
How many bites are
7 bites, Sebastian. Are you still in the game or are you out?
Here, you can get 1 chip and do little nibbles.
Are you out?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, you can devour these chips.
7.
That wasn't even one.
That was 7.
Corinne, spin the wheel. 20, 20, 20. Come on, 20. Give her 20. Ah,
Left.
Sebastian.
Back
To Sebastian.
Spin
Your
it.
turn again.
Spin it. 7 again.
You have to spin it. Are you out of the game?
No.
That's who you get. 3 bites. 3 bites, Sebastian.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
You still in it? Come on, 20. Oh, 10, almost 10. Ah!
Gosh!
You 1 bite.
Only 1 bite.
You got lucky. Eat 1 bite.
1.
No whammy, no whammy, no whammies. 20!
Oh my gosh! Are you out?
Hi, Mom. How are you doing? How are you feeling about those Cheetos?
Are you out? No.
Are you still in this? 20 bites
Stay here,
of
Mommy,
Cheetos.
please.
20 bites of Cheetos.
Mommy, stay.
You want me to stay, but I really don't want to take 20 bites of Cheetos. I've already taken how many bites?
You out?
Are you out? Are you eating your 20 bites of Cheetos?
Oh, Sebastian, I like being your partner and all, but you're gonna have to win this box, okay? I can't win it. I'm not doing 20 bites.
I'm gonna win it for you, Mommy.
All right, high five.
Because I love you.
I love you too.
But you're not-
I'm
I'm winning it for you, Mommy.
okay, baby. I'm out.
Well, 1 down and 2 more to go.
3 more.
1 down and 2 more to go until I win the mystery box.
No, Quinn and me are gonna win the mystery box.
You think so?
Well, it's your turn.
Fine, here it goes. What I get?
2 bites.
2 bites, that's easy. I can do this in my sleep.
That's really easy.
Mmm. 1. 2. Good.
All right, Sebastian. Yes, spin that wheel.
What do you get, Mama? What do you get?
Pass left.
Pass left? Who's... Wait a second. That's me?
Yes. You go again.
Here we go.
Whoa.
I'll put that in front of Corinne so you can see my number. You don't need to see Corinne. She's busy. What'd I get?
Pass.
Oh! So then whose turn is it?
Sebastian.
Sebastian, it's your turn again.
Yes, I would.
Spin the wheel.
10 bites.
10 bites?
Are you out?
Are you out of the game?
It's a little bit. I hate that.
No, 10 bites or you're out, buddy.
You can do little nibbles. 1, 9,
One more.
10.
10 bites, good job.
Pass left.
Oh, Sebastian, it's you again. Are you still in the game or are you out?
No, Daddy. I want to win the mystery box. Maybe this way.
Spin it. Big spin. Big spin. There you go. There you go.
Pass left.
Why is it all in them?
It's always
Why, you want to eat some Go-Gurts?
No.
Here we go. Okay. 20 bites of corn!
You're out then. If you don't eat that many, then you're out.
20 bites of corn?
Are you both getting out of 20? Eat it.
Eat it. Eat it. Swallow it.
Digest it.
Mm.
Stop.
I
People
can't
enjoy
hear.
that song. Pick that piece up.
5. That doesn't look like it's gonna get to 20.
No kidding, because I'm out. I can.
Yes!
Out! Can't do it. I thought I could, but no.
Yes,
So yes.
I'm gonna win. When I'm gonna win.
No, I am.
I am.
It's your turn anyway.
So I'm staying in. Look.
Spin the wheel. What is it? 10.
10 bites.
No, it's not. You have to get another 2.
No.
I think every time his mouth shuts, he thinks it's a bite.
9. 10.
He goes for more anyway.
Okay, 10 bites.
Now, yeah. That's good.
Okay. Five. You know what? I know. No.
Yes.
Yogurt.
What just happened, Sebastian?
I get the mystery box because all you
Sissy just quit her own game.
You're like, let's get these things out of the way.
Do you hear that? Can I hold it? Give me it right here. Surprise. Okay. What kind of card is it?
25 Xbox.
$25. For what?
Xbox.
You could buy Robux, you could buy Fortnite, Xbox game.
You can buy anything.
What's this called? Anything?
Yeah.
And can I buy? I could buy okay.
Make sure you head over to the gaming channel and see what Sebastian buys.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye! Hey TikTok peeps, this is for all y'all.
Corn, and I get to edit the video, so I'll cut this part out if I have to. It's magic. You'll never know there's butter in there.
That is white. Guys, if that's white, put it down in the comments below that he can't be using butter.
I want to see you eat plain corn. Do you have any yellow shirts, Corinne?
The butter away.
I did put the butter away. See? It's not in my corn. There's no corn, no butter.
Mm-hmm. Let me grab all my yogurt. What was that?
Nothing?
Hey! You are not doing the rules
It's
right.
yellow corn. Wait for Mama.